We had a little bit of Today I'm going to try the Cis Beta Fuel for the first time. 80 grams carbs. Yeah, normally I don't need 80 grams of carbs on a run for an hour, hour and a half, whatever I'm going to do today, but I have to get my body used to consuming carbohydrates while I'm running. Prepare for a marathon in 5 months. I know it's a long way away, but gotta start preparing the gut now. No, I'm not taking the pups out today with me. They're going to stay home. Yoke. Snowfall warning in effect since yesterday morning. Depends on where you are in the world. If you're in Eastern Canada, US, that's probably the 50 centimeters, 100 centimeters. Because you get a lot of snow. We don't get a lot of snow here. We get a lot of sun. 25 or so centimeters over the last day. It's just so peaceful. There's no wind. Oh, the fresh snow is just beautiful. Well, this is our second snow in 5 days. We had one, this is Saturday. We had one on Monday as well. But we went through September, October, half of November with basically nothing and perfect fall, early winter conditions. Winter's back. Or the saying from, what's the show? Game of Thrones. Winter's coming. Well, today, everyone, the plan was to do some form of speed-ish type work, but sometimes you just gotta go with plan B or C or D or E. So today, I'm just trying to put in an hour's worth of work, and by work I mean just getting through hour-long run. The pathway has been cleared, but I still wouldn't trust maybe a little bit of ice underneath, so no need to go fast, just put the work in. There's a little cafe behind me and they're cooking sausage or bacon or something. It smells really good. Yeah, the pathway is quite good. Still a little bit slippery underneath. I guess I'm not going any further west on the pathway. They must be doing some maintenance that way. If you are anywhere in the world watching this and you have never been in snow, this is so nice, peaceful. But the pathway, despite what it was back further that way, yeah, there's ice underneath, so I probably could have worn the spikes today, but oh well. I'm not doing anything crazy. Change the plans a bit. Just do out and backs from my central location. This is a plot on this side, but that's okay. Yeah, I might as well give initial impressions of the cis drink. It's got a little bit of sweetness to it. I can't remember if the flavor is strawberry lime, raspberry lime, some version of that. Yeah, it's not bad. Not bad. And the other good thing about running when it's like this, you don't see a whole lot of people out, so it's pretty quiet on the trails and paths, of course. This is down at the river, Bow River in Calgary. I know for a fact up where we are, it's about 200 meters higher in elevation approximately. There's more of this stuff out in the northwest. Oh, it's just so pretty. I know I've said it a few times, but man, it's nice. Well, my ankles and feet are getting a little cold. Might as well just throw in some trail here while I'm at it. Lots to choose from. Completely flat down by the river, and then we can go up in this area here. Kind of trail meanders through the little bit of the woods here. There won't be any running here with the deep snow and the elevation gain. It still worked though. That's all that matters. Hard to believe I'm in a city right now. Whew. There's some ice underneath there. Prior to the snow last week, we had some little bit of as I was saying, prior to the snow last week, we had a little bit, it's almost a little bit of rain. Has that nice little icy layer underneath. Really careful coming down here, you know, because I didn't have my bigger spikes, of course, because I wasn't planning on doing this. Just be careful. Back on the flat path again. That's the area I was in. The 1K split. Oh, it was more than 1K up there, but my last 1K split was over 12 minutes. But the effort was there. Finishing up here. Had to switch to the phone when I just got back because the Garmin, even with the Enduro battery, just couldn't handle this minus 12 or so for probably out here for an hour and a half with all the filming. We are at an hour 18 for 11 kilometers. I can hardly talk, my mouth is frozen. No speed records today, but it's all about the effort and the beauty and getting outside. Thanks for watching, everyone. Get outside. Just got home and finished shoveling again. No need for core work today. Six days ago, I didn't run in shorts, but I could have run in shorts, and there was nothing on the ground. It's a winter wonderland.